Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be building the master bedroom closet insert that I need to finish it off today. So if you've been watching my videos a few weeks ago, you would have seen me tear out the bedroom closet. We expanded it, made it over double the size, and now I'm going to be building that insert to really maximize our space and make it look beautiful. So here's the design we're going to be going off of today. We've got a closet on each side, so my wife and I don't have to share. We can have our own sides, as well as 3 drawers below each one. And then in between the two, we have a set of shelves on the top half and then a few drawers down along the bottom. As far as the side view goes, this is what we're trying to go for. This upper section right here will be the rack that you hang your clothes on. And then down here, this will stick out a little bit farther. This top part here won't go all the way up to the ceiling. This is actually going to be a shelf on the top. You can store things above your closet as well. This is going to be beautiful. It's a big project, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to be building these in 2 separate sections. I'm going to build the bottom half right here, the drawer assembly, and then I'll build that top half of the hangers, and I'll set that right on top. I'm going to start by cutting out all the pieces that I need for this cabinet down in my shop. I can't actually move this into my room through the doorway. It won't make it. So I'm going to have to build it in place in the closet. So the frame of the cabinet's just about finished. Now I need to get started on the 9 drawers that's going to be mounted on this. I've got all 9 drawers built. I need to sand those down really quick. I'm going to put a clear coat of polyacrylic over top of these drawers just to seal them. And then the frame of the cabinet we're actually going to be painting white. So this is just going to be the raw wood right here, and then everything else is going to be painted. Mounting all of these drawers is pretty tedious, making sure everything's level and you have the right gaps and everything, but it's turning out great. Now these slides that I've got have a little bit of a cushioned stop at the back. It seems a little stiff at this point. I'm sure that's going to wear in over time. Plus, once you have weight in those drawers, it's going to close a lot easier and you won't even feel that.
Okay, Mom, this is your birthday. Okay, go.
Go, Daddy, go. Alright, I'm going. Uh-oh, don't drop those screws out. I need those screws. You keep those screws safe. Oh, okay.
Hold it.
Yeah, you hold it. And keep it safe. Good job, Lana. Good helper.
Open. Go hold it.
Oh, here's another screw. Don't spill them. Here's a few more. You keep the screws safe, okay? And it's perfectly level. Don't bump that yet. Don't bump it. Just wait. You trying to see what's happening? One more touch before this is finished. We're going to add on a nice oak face onto each of those drawers, and then we're just going to put a natural stain over top of that to seal it and protect it. Alright guys, if you've made it this far through the video, chances are you like it, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I also love to hear from you guys and your thoughts on this project, so I'll be looking out for any comments you leave down in the comments section. Like I mentioned early on in the video, I'm planning on finishing this off in the next video, so stay tuned for that one coming soon. I'm going to be adding on the top section of this closet insert where we're going to be able to hang up all our clothes, and there'll be some shelves in between and a shelf up across the top. It's going to add a lot more storage to this closet. It's going to look beautiful when it's all done, so stay tuned for that one coming next time. I want to give a big shout out to all my Patreon members. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and helping me create more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That just about finishes this one up today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.